Hello everyone, it's Pat here at Beads and Plenty More, and today I'm going to show you how to do this bracelet. It's got hexagon shaped metal pieces, suede leather in the blue, and then round black leather here. And then I've attached it with a magnet at the end here, which I love magnets. So that's kind of what it looks like. I did do it with circles as well, but I thought the hexagons were kind of nice because they're unique. So let's get started and I'll show you how it's done. So I used a clipboard because and I've set up one here with the green. The clipboard helps to hold everything in place while you're working on it. So I used 12 inches of each of the cords. I've got 2 of the leather and 2 of the suede and then 2 more leather, and I used these clamps at the end. Now I glued these on with E6000 before I got started on working on the braid. So okay, I'm going to take off the put my clipboard here down, and I'm going to show you on the other end here how I went about gluing, because you want to have all these cords sitting the way you want to work with them, which means that I've got the 2 suedes and the 2 leather on each side all kind of bundled up together, and I want all the ends to match up so that when I glue them into the cap, they're all going to go in nice and smooth. So you see the cap is wider than what, or the cap is narrower than the width of this. So we'll gather these up as tight as I can together, and then I took a piece of masking tape and I put it down further than where I wanted to put the cap on, like that. Attach it, stay in place. Actually, it's not a bad idea to go to the other side of where you're going to put the tape, lay the tape down flat, and then kind of line these up so that they're going to sit right close together like that, and then cap it over and over, and then you've got them all sitting nice. Put some glue into your cap, and then we'll put all, or you can put the glue onto the cords, but be careful not to go too far up, and then I glue the cap on. So that's how I'm going to finish the second end. I have got the first end pre-glued so that we can go ahead and I can show you how the braid works. So I've got this end here. I'm going to bring down my clipboard so that you can see. I'm going to take the clipboard and actually, oh, I've got a little bit of glue showing there. I pick that off before I get started. There we go. So we'll put that down like that, and I'm going to put that right into the clip like so. So what I have now, again, I'll separate out my 2 black ones on the outside, and I'm working with green this time, so the green goes down the middle. I'll take one of these hexagon shapes, they're like that, and I'm going to feed that onto the suede in the middle. So it goes on like that, and I want it to sit up there like that. Oh, make sure it sits that way. And then with my leather, trying to keep it so that it doesn't overlap, I'll put one side over this way, and then this side, keep it nice and straight, and put that over there. Starting is always the hardest of any project, so here we go. I've got an X over top of my green suede there, like that. Then I'm going to keep that facing like that. I'm going to take my green suede and bring it back and put it through that metal shape, the hexagon. Bring it through like that, and then pull it back this way towards myself. Now I'm going to tighten everything up. Push the hexagon up. I like the points of the hexagon to sit where, and then I'm going to pull these cords to get a nice smooth piece there. So that's one unit. So then the next time I'm going to put another of the hexagons onto the end of my suede cord, and the main thing is I want to make sure that it stays sitting upright like that. We'll bring the black cord over. Use all your fingers on both hands for this job. And bring this one over, and I see I've got a little twist there, so we'll fix that before I go on. Get my two blacks separated out. Now, my ends of the suede are going to go back through this unit. Try and keep everything flat and straight. So you can see there, we're going to bring this one up and back down like that. So then tighten everything up after each unit. Get my leathers a little bit tighter and my suede a little bit tighter. There we go. So I'm going to do one more. And then of course you're going to have to decide how long you want the bracelet as to how many of the metal pieces you're going to use. So the main trick is to make sure it stays up this way. Don't let it flop back like that, or else your suede won't go through the right direction. So sit there like that. And of course we want to keep these leathers flat so that they look nice once you've got your crisscross braid. So bring these guys over, get your X there. Definitely once you get the first two on, it's a little bit easier. As with anything, starting is always the hardest part. I'll put these through. Pull that up. Can release my finger on the X. And then after that, we're going to tighten each one a little bit. So my finished bracelet here has 7 of the hexagons on, and then I went ahead and put a second cap on. Use the tape to hold all the pieces flat so that they go into the cap really nice. And that's all there is to it. So we're going to make up a kit with this. So watch for the video and the link to the kit. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.